In the previous video where I showed you how you can easily index your pages into Google Search Console, in here we'll be showing you the easiest way how you can do that automatically, indexing bulk pages using Bing Search Console. Alright, now if you see right here, last July 13, as you can see this website right here, herbstrove.com, I only got 5 pages that are indexed on Google. But when I executed the method that I showed you where you can select bulk and here you can instant indexing to Google update, then after a few days, if you see right here, if I type my site herbstrove.com, you see right here we've got now we are reaching up to 6 page of Google. So that means at least 60 pages are there have been indexed so far. Have been indexed 60 pages. So you can see page 1 we've got 10 right here, and then page 2 we've got another 10. So from 5 pages being indexed, now we're up to 60. And this post, we have 111 posts. So we're just waiting for around 40 plus to be indexed on Google. And I'm going to show you the way on how you can do that on Bing. So first of all, on Bing, a webmaster tool, make sure you have added your site right here, herbstrove.com. You see right here, these are the pages that have been submitted. So I'll show you how you can quickly submit that. And here, I prepared a workflow where you can easily execute this API call right here, where you can submit multiple URLs. All right. So this is the easiest way you can execute this. If you successfully submitted those URLs, you can immediately see those here in Index Now Bing Webmaster Tool. That means they are queued to be indexed. So the way you do that here, first of all, I'm gonna list the pages here based on the search criteria of my WordPress website. You see right here, herbstrove.com. So that is added here in my workflow. Now we will be choosing post, okay, post type, and then all the publish. So what I'm going to do here, because you don't want to spam Index Now Bing, okay? Here you have this where it can respond to 429. That means too many requests of potential spam. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to spam submitting the URLs right here. What we will do here, we will submit based on the category right here. And then like after 1 hour, you can do it again. So here, I'll be selecting, since my posts are categorized. So here, as you can see, I categorize them into several categories. So let's say I'm going to submit those posts under anti-aging. So I'm going to filter that. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8. Okay, going back here, I'm going to first submit the indexing of these 8 URLs. All right, so here limit, you can just set that to 100. Anyway, it will just fetch those under anti-aging category. All right, and then click OK. We have here the array aggregator where we only need to select link from this search post. Okay, now here, this is the code that you want to build to submit these URLs right here, which is written here. So it's the same thing. We will be doing a post request to this URL right here, submitting these multiple URLs of our site. And before you do that, you need to download this. You download that, follow this instruction right here, upload that in your root directory. Once it's in your root directory, now you can execute this. As you can see, this is your site URL. And then this is that same number right here. So same file. You need to upload this txt file to your root directory. And then you have here the key, which is the same as this one. So once you uploaded that, you will be able to start this automation. I'm going to import this. I'm going to export this for you to download. So just comment down below on Bing indexing, Bing bulk URL indexing. And then I will send the JSON file to you. All right. Now here, this is exactly how it's written in the instruction below right here. And then click OK. So first, it will fetch all those URLs under this anti-aging, all right? And then it will submit that to this index now, and we are capturing this from here, the JSON string we will be passing. So everything is set up here. Look at this. We only have 4 steps right here. It's very simple, so that your life will be easy. Okay, now once we submit that, we can immediately see those URLs here. So let's do that now. So run once. You see right here, it's successfully run. Like it's quite fast, like 2-3 seconds, they're being submitted. And you can notice here the status code. If you see here, we have the status code 200 right here. That means we successfully process those URLs, those 8 URLs. So here, How can we see that right here? So here, we've collected the 8 URLs from anti-aging categories and then submit that to this index now. Okay, here in Webmaster Tool, you can verify that. You can see right here, when I refresh this page, so right there, okay, you can see just now we submitted this one. You see the time 15:49. So these are the 8 URLs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 URLs, you can instantly verify them right here that you submitted those URLs and ready to be indexed on Bing search. Now here on Bing search, you can type the same thing, siteherbstrove.com. So you can see some of the pages have been indexed already. Okay, because even before I was already doing this submission, so most of the pages have been indexed. But for new sites and you want them to be indexed right away on Bing, you can do this approach, all right? And you want to index them on Google, you can do the approach that I showed you in the previous video. I'm gonna link that video in the description below, so you don't have to search for that. So yeah, those are the important things you can do in order for you to index your new blog post. Okay, now that you have indexed all these anti-aging page, you can go to the next category right here, and you want to index them. Or if you just have like a few posts, like less than 50, I think you can do that instantly here without doing some filter. So here in this first module, WordPress right here, you can remove the filter. You can select all the categories right here. You can just make this empty. But if you want to submit them by category, so you can do this approach. Okay, you just need to select this show advanced settings. So if you want to select everything and pick that, and this will select, for example, 100 posts. All right. Now, if you want to if you want to do some filters, so add that. And if you want to avoid being marked as potential spam, so you can do that. All right. And the thing here, you can also do that individually on the search engine. Like for example, if you only want to submit them to Bing, so you can have this endpoint only, or in Naver you can have this endpoint only. But we don't want to do individually. We want to submit to all the search engines. So we can just use this endpoint, which already set up here. So the blueprint that I'm going to send to you is this one right here, where it will submit all the URLs to the all your posts to the search engines here. So let me just quickly show you how this blog has been created. So we will be creating these 125, I think 112 articles, 114 articles talking about herbs and herbology, and we have this Take Bank offer that is really promising. These two offers we can choose from, whether the Doctor's Book of Survival Home Remedies or this the Lost Book Remedies. So I think for this example, we will go ahead and choose this the Lost Book of Remedies, because it has higher gravity, which means it's been selling for the past 30 days, and we can get up to 34.39 commission. So we will be promoting this to along with these articles that we will be generating using GPT-4o, this WordPress new installation, and then we will install the required packages to begin. This thing I want to install is the the WP at 8 REST API, so that I'll be able to complete generating these articles. So guys, for you don't have to use the article AI generator. If you have an access to ChatGPT Plus, and then you are able to generate these articles just by prompting a correct custom prompt here to write you an like 1,500 words article. Although I know you cannot acquire the 1,500 words article in just one prompt. So for me, I just want to save time, so I'll be using the article AI generator. So here I am using the unlimited version, because in the configuration right here, I want to write all my articles using this model. Here you are able to select any model here that you want your article to be written. So for me, my default model will be this one, the new model, which is GPT-4o. But if you have an available credits on articleaigenerator.com website itself, so for example, right here, I've got available credits, then you can use it. You don't have to use the unlimited version if you still have credits here. It's just that I want to use the unlimited version because I think that's more cost effective if I am a heavy user. So here I install the WP REST API. So what I simply need to do is configure that in 5 seconds. So you just need to click this basic authentication, make sure this is tick, and click next and click finish. That's it, guys. You are done configuring the site. And here as well, I added a new user. So this is an editor role. This will be the user that I'm going to add here in Article AI Generator for me to generate more articles. So let's do that right here. So we click the add sites. So here it's added successfully. So it will be right here in my list of sites. So I can now go ahead and generate these articles right here. So I can go and generate 50 per batch. So before that, guys, in order for you to save your credits or to save the token limited version, so we have here the option to test first if our configuration is correct. So click that test Autopost to WordPress, and here we select our site, which is this one, and it auto-populates the user and password, and then let's click the test Autopost. So as you can see, good job, you can auto-post to your WordPress. Please delete the sample post in your site. So it will create a sample post right here. So that means, so this one, as you can see, test post from article AI generator, that means you have successfully correctly configured the WP REST API. So we just need to delete that and delete this hello world as well. Now we are ready to generate these articles. So guys, by the way, these keywords right here, I just captured that from, Google people also asked section. And then I copied everything. I copied all these questions provided by this Google search. And then I come here to Claude and then ask Claude to, make sure that I have the unique list of the keywords so that we make sure we don't have any duplicates, okay? And we will be able to generate good quality articles right there. And going back to generating the bulk articles right here, so we go to generate bulk articles, and we will be generating 50 at a time. So I will be doing this now, guys. And by default, if you're using the unlimited version, you don't have to select this because we already configured that in our settings to use the default GPT for all, okay? You don't have to select this here. And here, we are going to keep that as 2,500 words. And for now, I'm going to leave the featured image as no. And of course, we will auto-post that. And here, we will publish that because this is a new website. So it's okay to publish immediately the articles. And here, we select our site, which is right here. We know that the Autopost is already working as we tested that. And now we generate. Okay, so now it's generating. Let's do that for the rest of our articles. Okay, so that didn't take long because we just have 114 articles in total, and now they're all in view. So we just wait for a few minutes for all these 114 articles to be completed, and we will add our affiliate link. Guys, as you can see right here, all our 114 articles are now posted to our WordPress and they're all published. So after few configuration, this is how our website looks like now. As you can see, we have the featured image, and let's take a look at one of the articles right here. So what herbs increase bone density? We open this article right here, and you will see we have, right amount of words and SEO friendly structured article. So if we take a look at the number of words right here, look at that. We got 4,403 words, which is, now very capable to rank on Google. So you can also check some more articles right here. What is the best herb for the brain? So you see right here, again, we have a pretty nice article written SEO friendly right here, and we check the number of words here. We have 4115 words. Okay, all right, so I hope you guys learned something from this one, and if you have any question, please write in the comment below and I'll try to answer them as quick as possible. And I think that's about it, guys, and thank you for watching.